gearbox, drive shaft, engine, generator. See the two motors? One's a drive motor, one's a generator. So that's the strip down done. Inverter. You get used to sort of the electric side of things, but everything's put in place, and we'll have a look at this. Will get stripped now, and we'll diagnose to see exactly what's gone wrong on the crankshaft, which is, as we've said, it's variable compression, and it's a brand new setup, and we'll see what's going on. These engines, well, when you start the car, this thing revs up like crazy, even when it's cold. We suspect that's not a good idea, but we'll see.